Okay, so very important. This right here means, this right here means you're multiplying. Okay, if it was an open circle, that's that composite function where you'd like to do f of g of x. Okay, so be very careful there because I don't want you to miss this question because you thought it was something else. If it's a dot, right? Like this is just a dot, right? That means you're multiplying the two functions together. If it was a circle, then you would be doing the f of g of x thing. If it was a circle. When it looks like fog, then it's f of g of x. Okay, that is not what this is. Okay, so that is not. No. Okay, that's not what it means. Okay, we good so far? Yeah. Okay, can I erase this?
So, like, even, like, and I know this is, like, but, like, even if it's, like we use base O.
Oh, yeah.
You can flip them, like, so, like, it's saying, like, find F, and then the open circle, G, we basically flip them.
You would write, you write it in the order, so f of g of x, but when you solve it, you solve first for the inside one. So let me do this one, and then we'll backtrack. We'll go to the next one, okay? I think I'll be able to answer your question. Okay. Okay. So what does f dot g of negative 4 mean? What does that mean? So this means f of negative 4 multiplied by g of negative 4. No, you're getting there. You're getting better. You gotta work. You gotta work. The more you work, the easier it becomes. We're cool with that? So that's what that means. Okay. Now, how do you solve for f of negative 4? Okay, and that's where you're having a problem. So we know f of x equals negative 3x, right? And they're asking you to solve for f of negative 4. So you replace x with negative 4. So this is negative 3 times negative 4, which is 12. So this is 12. Is that cool?
I didn't see your hand.
Sorry.
Okay.
So what I did was, the purples was the function in the beginning that they give you right here.
Yeah.
Right. So I replaced x with negative 4, right? So every x became negative 4. And then I solved. So negative 3 times negative 4 is positive 12. So this f of negative 4 is just 12.
Why did you do it?
Because I gave you negative 4 here in the beginning.
I guess what gets confusing is that you're plugging in like the 4 into x, thinking that you're supposed to be plugging it to.
That's
if
what,
you're meshing numbers or letters, and the letters, it's like, I mean,
So-
you have to know when to remove certain letters, and it's confusing.
So you're right. The issue is that math notation means one thing in one scenario, means something completely different in another. You're absolutely right, and that's a big fault of what we do in math, but that's just the way we do it. Because it was brought up from so many different sections of history and several different countries and whatnot. So like in some situations you adopt one notation, the other you adopt another notation, and you're absolutely right. So it's just something you got to work through.
If you look at that, F in parentheses,
You think it means f? You think you're like, well, let me distribute f into it. So why isn't it just f of x, f times g, f times x? Yeah, but that's not what it's saying. Yeah. You just got to realize what notation in what situation. Okay, so we're cool. Are we cool with f of negative 4? So then, can y'all explain to me how to do g of negative 4?
G, and then in the brackets, negative 4 minus 6.
Okay, so g of x is absolute value x minus 6.
So you gotta forgive for that.
So if we're doing
All
g,
of the ones they give you.
yes. So you like that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So what's negative 4 minus 6?
It's basically, like you said, like negative
No, no,
4
what's-
plus
oh.
negative
Oh,
6
yes.
equals negative 10.
Nice.
That always equals an even.
Yes.
So it's going to be...
I professionally say yes.
I just completely did not hear what she said.
Yes. Okay, sorry. So we plugged in g of x is the absolute value of x minus 6, right? Instead of x, you have negative 4, right? So every x got replaced with negative 4. So negative 4 minus 6 is negative 10. Whenever it's in the,
Absolute value.
It's-
That's positive.
yeah? Y'all go with that? Okay. So this now tells me g of negative 4 is 10. So now when we go back up here, g of negative 4 is now, did I say 10 or 10, right? Yes, thank you. Positive 10. So this is 12 times 10. What's 12 times 10? Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Cool. Questions, questions.